Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Ring camera is showing error code P1-65, the setup process may stop unexpectedly and prevent the device from connecting properly. In most cases, this error is related to Wi-Fi communication, network compatibility, or temporary interruptions between the Ring camera and the Ring app. Although seeing an error code can be frustrating, the good part is that P165 usually doesn't indicate a hardware failure. Simple troubleshooting steps are often enough to help the Ring camera complete setup and resume normal operation. In this video, I'll walk you through several things you can try before contacting support. Try these. Step 1. Verify that the Ring camera is within range of your Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Restart the setup process for the Ring camera in the Ring app. Step 3. Double check the Wi-Fi password used by the Ring camera. Step 4. Reboot the router connected to the Ring camera. Step 5. Place the Ring camera into setup mode again. Step 6. Retry the connection and confirm the Ring camera completes setup successfully.